Tina right here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover. Super excited you inquired about our amazing Santa Fe. This is the XL edition and it comes with a beautiful waterfall grill on the front, wraparound LED headlights along with our daytime running lights, premium alloyed wheels with our nitrogen-filled tires. This vehicle comes equipped with a 7-inch screen backup cam along with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual climate control, Bluetooth, and Blue Link, just to name a few features. Not to mention that the fact this is a V6 with an amazing 7-passenger with excellent room, you're going to get America's best warranty to back it. 5 years, 60,000 new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 is the powertrain. And exclusively here at Tameron Hyundai, we pride ourselves in doubling that warranty to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat the warranty anywhere, and you are going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover. So give me a call at 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover.